So welcome to the guide on how to install your RoofBunk Datatag Security Kit. So step 1 is applying the vinyl alphanumeric ID stencil. So clean the painted metal surface of the roof bunk with alcohol rub and leave it to dry. Remove the backing strip from the stencil and apply to the area while ensuring there are no creases in the stencil, and smooth out any air bubbles that may appear in order to prevent the fluid from bleeding. Leave this for about 1 minute before moving on to the next stage. Next, using the applicator provided, swipe once over the whole of the ID code and contact number, ensuring only one coat is applied. Wait about 1 minute before removing the stencil and use the alcohol rub to remove any white residue. Step 2 is applying the silver Ultra Destruct tamper evident ID labels. Clean the painted metal or plastic surface of the roof bunk with alcohol rub and leave it to dry. Remove the backing strip from the label and apply it to the area while ensuring there are no creases in the stencil, and smooth out any air bubbles that may appear in order to prevent the fluid from bleeding. Leave this for about 1 minute. Then, using the applicator provided, swipe once over the whole of the ID code, ensuring only one coat is applied. If you notice that the etching fluid is running off the label, remove it with alcohol rub. Repeat the same process with the other label and leave them both on the roof bunk. So step 3 is applying the tamper evident warning ID labels. Clean the metal or plastic surface of the roof bunk with alcohol rub and leave it to dry. Peel away part of the backing sheet from one side of the label and apply the sticky side of the label to the surface you have chosen, making sure not to touch the sticky side of the label itself. Continue to peel away the backing sheet until the entire label is stuck down. Smooth out the label and ensure any air bubbles are removed. Do not attempt to adjust or move the label after it has been applied, as it may tear or distort the label, making the tamper evident advantage of it obsolete. Repeat the same process for the other warning label and the labels will become fully tamper evident after around 12 hours. Step 4 is applying the data dots. Warm up the data dots by holding the tube in your hand for around 3 minutes, ensuring the tube is fully covered by your hand. Shake the tube thoroughly for about a minute. Next, open the roof bunk up and apply the data dots with the brush provided to as many metal or plastic areas that you can find inside the roof bunk, ensuring they're as spread out as possible. Make sure to avoid getting the data dots on the canvas walls, the mattress or the insulation layer of the roof bunk, as they may stain them. Only apply them to plastics and metals. So once you've done this, leave your roof bunk open for at least 2 hours to allow everything to dry out. Step 5 is applying the alphanumeric ID barcode sticker. Simply place this underneath the roof bunk mattress so it's hidden. Finally, step 6 is registering your roof bunk. To register it, head over to the link on screen now, click on GPS equipment and enter the details from your kit. And that's it, all done. Thanks again for buying. Any queries you may have, shoot them over, and happy roof bunking.